Every computer begins here, raw materials arriving from around the world, ready to be transformed into tech.
Next, the nervous system of the computer is printed. Its circuit-scopic dots of solder paste prepare the board for thousands of components.
Robots place each component with speed and accuracy no human could match. Robots place each component with speed and accuracy no human could match.
Melts the solder, permanently bonding every component into place. Every board is scanned to catch even the smallest invisible defect.
Of the computer is carefully installed.
Snap into place, giving the machine its short-term thinking power. The graphics card gets its final form.
The power supply is built to safely feed energy to every component. The body of the computer is shaped, painted, and prepared. The shell is now ready to receive its internal components.
The motherboard becomes the backbone of the entire system.
Routing improves airflow and long-term reliability.
Data will live fast, silent, and secure.
Cooling keeps the system fast, stable, and alive under pressure.
This is the moment of truth, the first heartbeat of the machine.
Verify that every component communicates perfectly.
Pushed to its limits before it ever reaches a customer.
The machine is cleaned and prepared for its final presentation.
The hardware to life.
One last inspection ensures nothing is left to chance. Systems are now ready for the journey to their new owners.
Are prepared for global delivery.
Each box represents hours of precision engineering.
Factory floor to front door, the journey begins.
Started as raw materials, is now a powerful machine. This is the story of how your computer is made, one machine at a time.
Before a single chip is made, each silicon wafer is inspected for absolute perfection.
Where raw silicon becomes the brain of the computer, the processor.